So hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, we will see how to fix mobile data network not working in your Samsung Galaxy A17 5G. So guys, mobile data not working on your Samsung Galaxy A17 5G. So this video help you to fix the data connection and the APN issues. So guys, first of all, you enable your mobile data. So guys, make sure that you are properly enabled your mobile data. For this, simply swipe down and guys, here you see the symbol of data. So just click it and turn it on. Okay. Another thing is guys, check the network mode. So guys, make sure that you are using the network mode to the auto, because if you selected particularly any network like 5G and the 4G, so if the coverage is not, so maybe it not working properly and maybe it stop your network data. So guys, select your network mode to the auto. So for this, simply go to the settings, connection, SIM card. When you click on the SIM card, it shows the connection type. So you change it to the auto. After that, you restart your phone once. For restarting your phone once, simply swipe down, click here and restart. Okay. Then guys, you reinsert SIM card once. Same time, simple uh, insert and reinsert the SIM card is also work. So you try to reinsert your SIM card once. Then guys, you reset your network setting. For resetting the network setting, simply open your settings, then go to the option of general management and here reset and reset mobile network settings. So these are the things that you can done to resolve this issue. And guys, thank you and have a nice day.